so we're just dead. Yeah, we're just dead. Yeah. Good job, bro. We're just dead. Oh my gosh.
I'll be even My dear.
Can we just find the exit, bro?
Bro, I am fucking running. I am fucking running. Ooh! Fuck you, Jordan. Fuck you, Jordan.
Look behind you, bro.
No. Thank you. No, thank you. No, thank you. Get the fuck away.
No, fuck you, bro. Bro, I'm out of stamina.
Nah, you're a bitch. You're a bitch. You're a bitch. Peekaboo. Bro, please. Please. There's no hiding holes. There's no hiding holes. Hidey hole? Okay, we gotta find.
Oh, this is perfect. This is perfect, bro. We can really record it during a blackout.
Oh! Oh. We
Yeah.
just gotta look at it, right? Hi.
Oh, what is that, bro?
We can't look away from this. What the fuck?
Why should we look at it?
Dude, I will watch you.
I'm not doing that, bro.
Whoa!
You're
Shit.
Oh, fuck.
Mine.
Bro.
Mine.
Wait, do you hear that?
Huh?
Wait, you
Yeah.
heard that, right?
No.
Yeah, so shouldn't we go to the... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Chris.
What?
It's coming towards us, bro. It's coming towards us, bro.
How do you know?
Because I saw it with my damn eyes, bro.
Oh. Yeah, no, hell no, fuck you.
Oh, hell no.
Hell no, fuck.
No.
Fuck that shit.
We need to record. Fuck
There's
no.
no- Hell no.
Oh, GG's with it.
No.
Nah, GG's where she did. No, where she did, bro. No.
Where is the alarm?
No, where she did, bro. Where she did. What did, bro?
Can you wait for me? Stop running away.
What do you mean? Bro, I'm sticking to the inner walls, right? I
That's
mean
a
the outer
fucking-
walls. No, there isn't, bro. Stop trying.
There's smallies.
You
There's
already been
smallies.
skittle
There's
with the
smallies.
fucking exit sign being the alarm,
No.
bro.
There's two more smallies. No. Sure. So like the moment something happens, your aunt gonna run, right? Like that. What the fuck, man? You fuck. You bitch. Jordan.
Help me, bro. It's quite long. Man.
Oh.
Oh shit.
No,
we're dead.
fuck.
Yeah, we're dead. Yeah.
Just start spinning. Just start spinning.
Look, there's a gen right here.
Jen?
Yeah,
Oh.
right here, bro.
Why is it so bright?
I'm
Holy
doing it.
shit, why is it so bright?
Oh, I hear something behind us, bro.
Oh, Jordan, watch out.
Okay, you're just trolling.
Okay, bye.
Whoa, I'm not done, bro.
Yeah, I'm looking for you.
No, you're not, bro. Oh my gosh.
What? Was he coming?
Yo, there's a surprise waiting for you outside.
Ah,
bro.
no, thank you. I don't want to see no surprise.
No, it's a good surprise.
I don't like surprises.
Just jiggle peek, bro.
Okay, boo. Okay, there's no one. You lied to me.
No one.
There's no one. No.
I'm just lying, bro.
Oh my gosh. That's right,
Him?
pussy boy. Pussy
what?
boy. Oh fuck. No.
Oh, hell
No,
no, bro. I'm going to the corner and I'm just gonna fucking shine them.
No, fuck your dumb ass, bro. Fuck you! Oh, get to Oh, hell no. What the fuck is this guy doing? Damn.
I did the B one. Oh wait, was it B? No, I did C. Yeah, I did C.
So we now need
So
G.
we only left with B now.
Wait, you did C or wait, is this
wait.
G or B?
I don't know, but I did C.
Oh.
I did the one call. Bro, I'm dead. I'm just dead. Yeah, I'm just dead, bro. Yeah, it's over for me, bro.
Hi.
Fuck you.
I don't have
I'm
a
just
band.
dead, bro.
I don't have a bandage. You don't die for long.
Bro.
Eh? Let me wait, have you searched here?
Bro, please, my vision is black.
Oh, there's chewing gum. I'm gonna take this to him. Jordan! 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 Oh. Alright.
Fuck you.
There's holes, there's holes.
Oh yeah, I don't have any stamina, bro.
Want to jump in?
What do you mean? There's a hole. Oh my.
There's a hole. Where are you? Did you fall? Did you fall?
Wait, I go into the middle, like.
Huh? Whoa! Now don't jump in the wall. There's a hole.
Yeah, I'm not stupid like you, bro. Bro!
I think so. There's stairs.
Oh yeah, there's stairs, bro.
Let's go! Let's go! Come on, 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 come on. First one out. Oh, okay.
What?
Nothing.
Bro started stuttering, bro.
I was about to say, last one up there is a loser, but then
Yeah, and then you just.
yeah, I just it got blocked instantly. Oh,
Red, green, blue.
what the fuck?
Why is that even?
2, 3
What?
red, 2.
3 red, 2 blue, 1 green. So
Three
you know
red.
what that means.
3 red, 2 blue, 1 green. I don't fucking know.
Oh my gosh, wait, you're actually you're actually an idiot.
Oh, like 2 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Oh,
Yes. Wait, it's not.
wait, 1 o'clock is 1, 2 o'clock is that?
Wait, is it
3
got to
o'clock
do
is
something with
this.
the
You dumbass.
Oh my
Come here.
gosh, bro. You set that shit up, bro. What do you mean? You put the red.
Can hear you. Oh shit, where are we going? Okay, okay.
Oh my gosh, we're dead. We're dead. and it's
Last
got
one,
the
there's the
blue,
loser.
bro. What do you mean, bro? Can you look behind real quick to see if there's anything behind us?
No, you do that. Bro.
Bro, I'm behind you, bro. If I look behind, it's gonna.
No!
Oh shit, my bad, bro. Oh wait, follow the exit sign, you idiot. See the exit. Oh my gosh.
Oh!
How you say? Oh my god!
Oh, I am so
Bro, I crouched and turned on my flashlight and he still manages to find me, bro.
Oi! Go!
Oh my god, bro, what are you doing? You're
Hey,
throwing,
what are
bro.
you doing?
Bro!
Bro!
Oh my god. Bro, I lagged, bro, I lagged.
Oh,
my
this
gosh,
was
we're just
so
dead.
much
We're
shorter.
dead.
We need a blue key
Can
card,
we,
blue
like,
key
sleep
card, blue key
together?
card.
Okay, I'm finding a blue key card, bro, relax.
Bro, that is.
So we're just dead. Yeah, we're just dead. Yeah. Good job, bro. We're just dead. Oh my gosh. this is
I'll
dead.
be him, I'll
We're
be.
dead.
No, don't touch me. Please, I have a family. I have a family. No! No! Oh, get juked me. Oh. Go Bro, is he in here? Bro, he's in here. Bro, he's in here. Ooh! I don't care. His stupid ass can catch up with me. I'm too fast. I'm too fast. You can catch my ass. Oh hell no. Bro, he's coming. He's coming.
Bro, I know, bro. I'm running, bro.
Bro, why can't these short ass legs run faster?
Yeah, you want turn behind or?
Ooh.
There I think you should turn around.
No, you're further in front, you should turn around, please! He's moaning my name.
What?
I don't fucking know. We don't want to go to the
Why
guy.
does this feel like longer than usual?
Oh,
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 oh my god.
bro, that's so fucking stressful. Fuck
Holy
that.
shit, bro.
Yeah, like he's just standing behind us.
Wait, what? Finding? No, not purgatory. There's something else.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
What the fuck?
Oh shit.
Bro, stand down! Yeah, that's it. I'm just dead. Yeah, I'm just dead. Yeah, that's it. Bro, they even tell me he started, bro.
Bro, I thought I forgot we had to change the whole thing.
Wait, so what? Wait, are we just redoing level 1? Like, bro, nah, you're actually a dickhead, bro. You're actually a dickhead. No, you're a dickhead. No, you're a dickhead, bro. You're a dickhead. You're a dickhead, bro. You're a dickhead. Fuck!
Where's the fucking key card?
Yeah, good, I'm like,
Where's the key card? Where's the key card?